Hey, what's up everybody? Abbas here from Golden Motor. Today I'm going to go over how to install your Bafang mid-drive motor if you have a PressFit bottom bracket. So the Bafang mid-drive motor, the BBSHD and the BBS02 is compatible with two types of PressFit bottom brackets. The PressFit 41, which has an inner diameter of 41 millimeters, and the PressFit 30, which has an inner diameter of 46 millimeters. And obviously it is compatible with the threaded bottom bracket, which has an inner diameter of 33.5 millimeters. And we made a whole video of how to measure the width of your bottom bracket and the diameter in another video, so see which one is compatible with your bike. So first I'm gonna go into the PressFit 41 bottom bracket option. So what is the issue? The issue is that if you put in a stock BBSHD or BBS02 in here, it's not snug in there. The reason is because this shaft is meant for an inner diameter of 33.5 millimeters, and this one is 41. So the solution is quite simple. All you gotta do is put in a couple of adapters on both sides, and then the shaft is going to fit in snugly. But the type of adapter that you're going to be using depends on the width of your bottom bracket. So first I'm going to go into if your bottom bracket is a 68 millimeter width, or if it is a fat bike, which is between 100 millimeters and 120, the solution is to use these two PressFit cups that Lecky makes. What you do is on both sides, drive side and non-drive side, just mallet it in, and then your shaft is gonna fit in snugly. And you just tighten it up with the Lecky one nut, or the stock inner lock ring and the outer lock ring, and then your motor is going to be in snugly. For the fat bike, you might have to use these bottom bracket spacers just to space out your motor, but then that's all you need. For the fat bike options and the 68 millimeter options, all you need is these PressFit 41 millimeter cups. And now I'm going to go into if your bottom bracket is 86 millimeters in width or 92. I'm going to show you a different adapter for that. So if you have a PressFit 41 and your bottom bracket is 86 or 92, you have two options. Either you can use the Bafang 100 millimeter kit, the fat bike kit, and the solution will be the same. You would use the two PressFit cups, and then you don't have to use a special adapter for this one. All you would have to use is, depending if it's 86 millimeters or 92, the number of spacers would vary, but you would have to space out your motor so it fits in nice and evenly. But that's the solution for the 100 millimeter kit. If you are using a 68 millimeter Bafang kit, then you would use a totally different kind of adapter. So this is an adapter that Lecky makes. It is specifically made for if you have a 86 millimeter and 92 millimeter width bottom bracket and you are using a 68 millimeter kit. And I'm going to show you right now how this would install. And this will be the solution if you are using a 68 millimeter Bafang kit. So basically the way this kit works is on the drive side, you're going to be using the PressFit cup. So on the drive side right here, and then on the non-drive side, so for example, if this motor is coming out this way, you would use this adapter. This would go in, the two bolts will go in over here. If it's an 86 millimeter, you don't need a spacer, but if it's a 92 millimeter bottom bracket, you need this 6 millimeter spacer, which will go in over here, so it spaces out this piece, and then you tighten it, this piece right here, with either a Lecky socket or a Bafang installation tool, and this will lock into the threads over here on the shaft. And the last step you would have to do is extend your axle. So this kit comes with a axle extender, so you would install it on top of the previous axle, and then just use this bolt that comes with the kit and extend your axle. So this is the adapter kit that is used for the 68 millimeter BBSHD and the BBS02, and that would work on a 41 millimeter PressFit bottom bracket. And lastly, Bafang, the mid-drive kits are also compatible with a PF30, the PressFit 30 bottom bracket. which has a inner diameter of 46 millimeters. And again, Lecky has an adapter kit for that. This one's pretty straightforward. This is how it looks right here, if I can get it out. But this one is only compatible with the 68 millimeter BBS02 or the BBSHD. So that's it. I know that was a lot of information. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below or give us a call and we'll try to help you out. That's it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time.